look at the damn sky, dude. I mean, it was looking... Oh my god. अरे भाई 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 ना दूर. Yeah, that was... Holy damn, bro. What the hell is going on with the... Oh, good damn. Damn. Ah, god damn. That's one. I don't have any words because Mother Nature is so beautiful that not you, no one can describe her in any sort of word, in any language, in anything, dude, anything. So it's so beautiful. Look at the clouds, dude. Look at the sky. Oh my god. Holy shit. God damn it. So what I will do is I will go like this and then like this. Quite obvious. मेरे भाई कैमरा साफ करने दो. Yeah, no, I think it's kind of good. Oh my god, bro. What's up, man? Why is he flashing to me? I mean, अरे यार हाई बीम में जो रख के आता है ना अपना लाइट, सही में एक नंबर का. जैसे इंसान ही नहीं है भाई वो. Because humans understand that you shouldn't keep your damn light on all the time. Oh damn. I should be going that way, which I will do. नज़ारे देखो भाई, नज़ारे. and just look at that. I just need a single parking spot and I think I did. Yes, I did get it, but इतना फालतू जगह है भाई ये. अरे what about that road, dude? But I just can't. I think I can't go to that road. No, I don't know. God damn, dude. This is just imagine, dude. Like if you have a scenery like this, and just imagine, dude. If you have the same scenery and you have a good space basically, and you have some friends to talk to, some snacks by the side, that would be great. Holy mother of God. What is he? Why did he even honk? मैं उतना भी यहाँ पे नहीं हूँ भाई. I'm on the side, right? I don't know. Man, look at this guy. अरे भाई. I don't know, dude. I don't know because oh god damn. I don't know. Look at the. So I think it's the rainy season. Why the? This is what happens to. Holy shit. I was always taught from when I was a child till now that when the monsoon arrives, it's not called as monsoon, it's called as rainy season. Although I know that it's called as monsoon, but I instinctively say that it's rainy season for me. Although yeah, both are one and the same, but monsoon is just a little bit less stressful than saying rainy season. It's just, you can just say whoa. You can just say, monsoon. भाई क्या हो रहा है भाई? Monsoon हो रहा है. Oh, look at the hues of the sky. There is orange, there is the tea. Oh, रुका सकता हूँ क्या मैं यहाँ पे भाई? मतलब like stop my bike here. Yeah, I think I can do it here. Although I did get some shit on my tires, but आता मी फिसलून जाशील रे. जाऊ द्या. Looks so beautiful, right?
Wow! Beautiful!
I really hope that the monsoon starts because नज़ारे मिलेंगे भाई, नज़ारे. I don't know, dude. I'm just shooting it on. I'm just shooting this particular video on. What's the date? Was it 12th of May, 2025, which is. I mean, quite literally, dude. This solved my. This particular scenery and this particular sky itself. Everything, dude, like it solved my problems for the day, dude. You see, I was going through a very shitty day. I mean, it was not shitty as such, but well, I had some other thing on my mind. I couldn't do what I should be doing. I was not doing what I should be doing. But yeah, now I think that I am kind of laser focused on what I should be doing and what I should not be doing. Quite obviously. One of the major problems while traveling on a highway is the fucking insects, man. The fucking insects are just insane. They are just insane, dude. This is that, dude. Like they are just insane. They are just flying at a spot. A cluster of insects is just flying at a spot on the highway, just swarming around a spot, and then you are coming at them at 100 km/h and slap them right in their faces, and they stick to your helmet, they stick to your camera, they stick to your bike as well. It's so fucking nasty, dude. Yeah, I have been through that, and believe me, it's not good. Nope.